Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a Game Pass Ultimate subscription and signing into your Microsoft account. This grants cloud access. Once signed in, open the Xbox app or a supported browser and select Cloud Gaming to start a session. Make sure your laptop's OS is updated and background apps are minimized because cloud streams need steady resources. Connect a controller or configure keyboard controls now. This prevents interruptions mid-game. Once done, you'll be ready to launch a title and test the stream quality immediately. Next, you focus on connection and control configuration so gameplay feels responsive. Once the cloud session starts, select region or let the service auto-route to reduce latency, because lower ping equals smoother input. Adjust the stream quality to match your measured bandwidth. Pick 720p at 1015 Mbps or 1080p at higher speeds. Make sure your controller is paired and test inputs in a free-to-play title. If buttons lag, lower quality or switch USB for Bluetooth to improve. Finally, launch the game and focus on optimization so the stream stays stable. Use a wired Ethernet connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and place the laptop near the router. This drops jitter and packet loss. Once playing, lower in-game graphics and turn off extras like ray tracing to reduce streaming strain, because the cloud sends frames, not raw GPU power. If stutters or disconnects happen, restart the Xbox app or browser, clear cache, and try another browser or network. This one key troubleshooting step often resolves connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.